হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে I complete this trip now and now I should go to house. She was my female customer and that baby you saw, she was my customer's baby. Not customers, she was my passenger's baby. It's bad to listen if I say customers. Oh, now I feel like I'm free. Oh, he's crazy. I am also crazy now. I have to stop my bike's speed because I'll turn left. Now I will go. Now I will go to my house. I won't get any trip today. I earned total. First trip was 8 kilo. What is this? এই জায়গাতে এসে পড়লো, এটা তো আনএক্সপেক্টেড। Oh, it's broken down. Bad thing. Why it happened now I can't understand. Now first I have to stand here. Oh, everything. What is this? Now it is okay. It was really unexpected. I didn't think it will happen with me. For this reason my heart is breaking again and again. What happened is this. Now I have to get here sticker again. Why it happened with me, I can't understand why. It was not any place for an accident.